I to do?
What you have to do? You have to take your slate and draw the shapes.
Okay,
Triangle, circle, rectangle, square. And now erase it. Draw the planet Saturn. Saturn, how will you draw? Let me see how you are drawing. Saturn. Stink, 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 stink. Saturn comes with reason line. Yeah, Tarnika, good. Saturn. Ritvik, is it Saturn, Ritvik? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. No, Kavyani. Already, it looks like already. Yeah. Tarnika, okay, little bit. Good. Karthikeyan also good, correct. Okay, somewhat okay. Diction good. Rohita, how have you drawn? Good ma. Nitila good, correct. Good. Think and draw. Saturn. Hmm. Ashini, okay. Good, very good. Okay, next, erase it. Now draw a crescent shape. Now draw a crescent shape. Crescent. Back of me. Star, crescent shape, everything is there. Crescent shape. Good morning, Madev Krish. Draw a crescent shape. Good. Tarnika, that looks like a semicircle, but a curve should come, not a standing line like that.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
Very good, Rohita. Very good. Karthikeyan, Ivan, Dikshan, it looks like cashew nut, Dikshan. Ritvik. Cashew nut, ah. Sharp ends, ma. Here you can see at my back. Sharp ends. Both the ends are sharp. Very good, Dave Krish. Well done. Ritvik. Okay. Good. Next is the pentagon. Pentagon. Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Very good, ma Pranita. Pentagon.
Pentagon on the 5 sides.
A pentagon with 5 sides, with 5 sides, with 5 sides. A pentagon with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good morning, Nitek. Pentagon. Draw a pentagon. It looks like a house. Good, ma Ritvik. Good. Good, Vivan. Good, Karthikeyan. Somewhat you have to alter it. Good, Dev Krish. Like a house. Good. Kavyani. Good. Dikshan. Hashini. Good.
That's it. Ma'am,
Good. Siddharth. Siddharth, Nitila. Very good. Okay. Now keep your slates down. Keep your slates down. You have another activity, okay?
Ma'am, printer, miss.
Huh?
Hi, sorry.
Hi, story. This is not story. Children. Not a story. I'll tell you story this week definitely. Okay. Yeah. Good morning, ma. Who's that with you? Good morning, children. You have to observe the picture. Okay. I'll give you some time. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Observe what you can see in this picture. Okay. And then you are going to. I'll take it out this picture. You are going to tell me what all you observed in it. This is an observing activity. Okay. Observe it carefully. What all you see in this picture. Note it down. Take it in your mind. And then everyone has to say what you saw in that picture. Okay. Observe it. Come on. Time starts now. Small things also you should observe, children, like that cups, plate, everything. Color of that mat, color of sofa. Yes, time up. Yes, children. Did you all notice?
Yes, ma'am.
You all noticed them, huh? Okay, now one by one you are going to tell me how many you have noticed. Okay, first it's Dev Krish.
Picture என்ன notice பண்ண சொன்னா?
Any 5?
Two boys, two girls.
Hmm.
Next என்ன பார்த்தேன்? வேற
Next.
யாரெல்லாம் இருந்தாங்க?
Then what did you notice?
The girl is playing with cat.
Girl is playing with cat. Hmm.
Daddy with
Daddy with?
daddy.
என்ன பார்த்தேன்?
Daddy with what? What daddy is doing?
சரி அம்மா என்ன பண்ணாங்க?
Okay, next. Okay, next. Daddy was there. Okay, somehow. Next.
அவங்க மம்மி என்ன பண்ணாங்க?
Mommy comes with tea.
Mommy with?
சத்தமா டீ கப்
Tea. Okay, one more.
வேற ஏதாச்சும் பேக் சைட்ல எதனா பார்க்கலாம்.
One more. Nothing, What was the grandma doing? What the grandma was doing? Did you see that?
சத்தமா சொல்லுது.
Egg.
Egg.
Egg cake சொல்றாங்க.
Egg and cakes. Very good. Well done. Okay, next is Dikshan. Well done, David. Dikshan, one by one. Say fast.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Madarshika.
Blue color mat.
Blue color mat.
Daddy laughing.
Daddy laughing. Hey, smart boy. Next. Next.
Play with the cat and girl.
Huh?
Girl playing.
Girl playing.
Oh, you said I have to rearrange the sentence. Ah. Girl is playing with the cat. Okay, next.
Newspaper. Newspaper.
Newspaper. Okay, next.
Tea.
Tea. Very good. Well done. Okay, next is Hashini.
Tea coffee.
சொல்லு
Hashini.
சொல்லு
That's mom.
Say
என்னென்ன பார்த்த பிக்சர்ல சொல்லு
Daddy.
daddy.
Mommy.
Mummy.
Sister.
Hi. This itself will go 5. Next.
Cup.
Cup. Okay.
Grandma.
Grandma, grandpa. Very good, Ashmi. Well done. Next is Janavi is there. Janavi. Oh. Karthikeyan.
Mom.
Say.
சொல்லு சொல்லுடா
Come on, tell me, Ma, what you saw in that picture. Okay, you think I'll ask Kavyani. Kavyani.
Mom. My daddy drinks your coffee.
Daddy, coffee, then
Grandpa.
okay, then
Grandma. Okay.
coffee already said. Then what did you see?
Puppy.
Puppy, it's a cat, I think.
Cat.
Oh, okay, good. Well done, Kavyani. I take.
Mom. In the picture,
In the picture,
there
are
mommy,
Mummy,
daddy,
Daddy,
uncle.
Uncle. I'm going to punch your nose now. See, I told you to observe what are in the picture. Means everything you say Daddy, Mummy, Grandma, Grandpa.
White cat.
White cat. That's good. White cat.
Sister.
Right. Again, sister. Okay.
Daddy reading newspaper.
Daddy reading newspaper. Then
Everyone happy.
night take. Okay, well done, night take. Good. Next is Pranita. Night take, my boy. I don't know what to do with you. Pranita.
What, ma'am?
Say what did you see in that picture? What you saw in the picture, ma?
What picture?
Okay, Rohita. Good morning, Madhuri.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What did you see in the picture?
నామంకు చూసి చెప్పు ఓకే క్యాప్స్ లో ప్లేట్స్ అండ్ కప్స్
Cups. Okay, then plate, cup.
and
ఇంకేం చూసాం టేబుల్ మీద
table two breakfasts.
2 plate of breakfast. Very good, Rohita. Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Say what did you see in that picture?
Window.
Window. Picture. Very good, Maricel. Pranita, mute yourself if you are not answering, Pranita, please.
What do you see?
Yeah.
Meow.
In a living. What do you like?
Okay, Siddharth next. Siddharth, what did you see, Siddharth?
சொல்லு.
Family is having good
Huh?
time.
What?
சத்தமா சொல்லு. ம்.
Family
Family
having
is
good time.
having good time.
Okay.
Window is open.
Window is open.
Food is in chair.
Very good.
Dad is reading newspaper.
Newspaper.
Paper. Good. Next.
Next. நான் பார்த்து சொல்லு.
Table in the coffee.
The coffee is on the
Coffee on the
table.
table.
Coffee on the table.
Okay. That's it. Very good, Siddharth. Now Karthikeyan will say.
Yes, yes.
Now Karthikeyan will say.
Grandmother is tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee.
Daddy?
Newspaper and reading.
Daddy is reading newspaper. Then.
Okay.
Then.
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Okay, grandmother. Okay, then.
Grandpa, the cat.
Okay, very good, Karthikeyan. Next is Vivan. Vivan.
Yes, Mom.
What did you see, Vivan?
I can see cat.
Cat. Then you didn't observe itself. What was there in the picture? No, Vivan, you didn't observe.
You did not see, yeah? Whatever you remember.
What? Okay, fine. I'll tell you what was there in that picture. There was Daddy reading a newspaper. Mummy was serving tea or coffee to the family. Uncle and auntie was there. Grandma and grandpa was there. Grandma was weaving a sweater. Okay, with the woolen thread. And there were 4 children, 2 boys, 2 girls. Okay, and the one girl was playing with the cat. And we have.
I want to see the picture.
You want to see the picture? Please. Fine, wait.
Yes.
1 minute. Yeah, this is the picture. You can see 2 plates on the table with breakfast served in it. And then auntie is wearing a blue color handbag. Yes, and there is a window. You can see a tree out of that window. And then here is a photo frame with a coconut tree in that. Okay? And then mummy is having 3 cups of tea or coffee, which is very hot.
Cup of chaya.
Cup of chaya. Tea or coffee in her hand. Okay. So all was this in the picture. So many of you didn't observe it properly. Okay. You have to observe, children. At least 5 things you have to memorize. What you saw in the picture. Tomorrow again we'll have another activity. Okay. And today's Kids Anthem is by... Yesterday who said?
Yesterday Siddharth ma'am.
Siddhartha. Okay. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Today you will say Tarnika. Yes, all of you join and close your eyes.
It's anthem.
No playing. Come on. Join your hands and close your eyes. Kids Anthem.
Kidsy anthem. Yaar with me, yaar infinite, yaar unique, my potential inside. Yaar the winds beneath my flight, unify me, my potential inside. Today I played with all my mind, I shall achieve my potential inside. Good
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Shall you sing the rhyme if you're happy and you know it? Ready? Come on, stand up, all of you. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Kavyani, stand and turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. What do you say? And if you want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, very good. Okay, next is roly poly. Ready? Roly poly. Do the actions correctly, children. Okay? Roly poly, roly poly. Up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, front, front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly, fat, fat, fat. Roly poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly. Fast, 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 fast. Very good, children. Okay, by the time we finish the attendance, parents, I want you to give them water which is very cold. If you have ice cubes also, put it in a cup and give it to them. Pour some water in it and some water which is little bit hot. Not too hot. Okay, just make it little bit hot. Hot and cold. Today's activity is hot and cold. If you have ice cubes, you can ready for the cold water. And then hot water, it should be mild hot. Don't prepare it too hot for the children. They are going to dip their hand in it. So see into it that it doesn't burn their hand. Okay? Okay, children, by the time we'll get ready for the attendance. Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Devkrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Danvin. Dikshan.
Yes, ma'am.
Varnaz. Ashini.
Hello, ma'am.
Janavi. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthikeyan.
Hello, ma'am.
Kavyani.
Hello, ma'am.
Naitek.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Mama. Oh my God. Nukshita. Pranita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik,
Yes, ma'am.
Nikila,
Here I am, ma'am.
Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, present Satvika. Okay. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Tarnika.
Here I am, Vanilla, ma'am.
Okay. Vishank. Vishank. Vivan.
Well, I have it.
attendance ಅಲ್ಲ.
Vidyut. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am. Bubble bottle
Okay.
is there.
Zedi. Lakshana.
എങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നു? Good
Lakshana.
morning, ma'am.
Zedi
Good
present
morning,
amma. 1
everyone.
minute, Zedi. Good morning, ma Zedi. I thought you were absent, Rakanna. Okay. Lakshana. Lakshana, I'm marking you, Lakshana. Okay. Okay, children, ready with your hot and cold water?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Cold water. Okay, parents first give them the cold water in their hand. Be careful with your laptop, children. Come back from the laptop. Take the cold water cup in your hand. Put your hand inside it and feel how it is. Parents, you have to give them the cold water. Yes. Put your hand inside it. Siddharth, do the activity. How does it feel?
It's cold.
God, it's very cold.
Cold.
Very cold, right?
It's cold.
Very chill, right? Okay, that is cold water. Cold water, okay? Now get the hot water cup in your hand.
It's cold.
Get the water cup. Yeah, it's cold.
It is hot water.
Hot water, put your hand inside the hot water. Put all your finger inside it. It's lukewarm only, no? So put your hand inside it. No issues. You will not burn your fingers. Put all your fingers, 4 fingers inside it. And feel how it is. How is it? Very warm, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very warm feeling you get. Yes? It's very hot. Can you feel the hot water and the cold water? Cold water is very chill. Okay, now keep both the cups in front of you. One hand in the hot water and one hand in the cold water. Both the hands, use it. Use both of your hands and feel how is it. Can you feel which is hot and which is cold? எது ரொம்ப சூடா இருக்கு எது சில்லுன்னு இருக்கு which is chill and which is hot. Yes, can you feel it? Okay, show your parents which is hot and which is cold. Show it to your parents which is hot and which is cold.
This is
Correct?
cold.
Parents check whether you're saying correctly. Hot and cold.
This one touch.
For hot and cold.
Ma'am,
Okay,
which one cold, which one hot?
what your mama gave you.
Check, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very nice, right? Hot and cold.
What's something?
You have identified correctly.
Freezing.
Yes?
Freezing.
Parents, did they identify it correctly?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Clap your hands, children. Big round of applause for you all. Very good. Well done. Well done. Well done. Very good. Yes, ma Zeddy?
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am.
Hot water.
Yes, ma'am.
Hot and cold?
Cold.
Mhm.
Hot.
Hot, is it? Very good, children. Now all of you keep your tumblers aside. Give it to your parents. Be careful with water. Don't sprinkle it on the laptop, children. Be careful. Satvika, no. Don't do like that. Keep it aside. Hmm? What's that?
Water.
Hot water. Okay, now take your math notebook. Take your math notebook. And you are going to write the number name from 1 to 10 without seeing. Without seeing, you have to write. Let me check how many of you know the spelling for that. Number names from 1 to 10. Write today's date. Today's date is 3-3-2121. Parents can write the heading and give it to them. Number names, write number names from ONE 1 to TEN 10. Start writing. One to 10. Whatever you know, you write, children. This is a test. So whatever you know, you write. No need to worry about whether you are getting full marks or not. I just want to know whether you are clear with number names. That's it. If any number name you don't know, you write it five times. Okay? If suppose you don't know the number name for 8, leave it. Write the number name which you know to write. Then afterwards, after correcting it, you write the 8 number name 5 times. In this way, you will remember the number names, okay? So this is a test. Parents are not going to teach your child. Don't help your child. Let them write. Whatever you know, you write, children. Keep on writing. I am going to bring stars for you, okay? 1 minute.
Finished, ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Who finished? Tarnika. Till 10. Very good, Tarnika. And Tarnika gets a pink color star.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. Well done. First is Tarnika. Well done. Whatever you know, you genuinely write, children. If you are going wrong also, no issues. Okay? Vidyut, write on your own. Don't ask your mama. Rohita. Very good, Vivan. Kavyani. Asking your daddy, huh? I'm going to give star only for your daddy, not for you then.
No, ma'am. She is writing only. She did not ask her.
Okay, good. Think and write. Okay, one time I'm going to tell for you one time. Okay? ONE 1. TWO. Check it whether you have written it correctly. TWO 2.
She know up to 7, ma'am.
3. FOUR 4. FIVE 5. SIX 6. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. TEN 10. Dev Krish, finish.
That's not finished, ma'am.
Well done. Corrected Dev Krish, mom, whether he has written correctly.
Ma'am,
Correct, Dev Krish, mom.
Yes, ma'am. He has written correctly.
Very
Ashwini
good.
finished.
Dev gets what color star?
Ma'am, Sudhan.
Lord. What color?
Green color star for Dev Krish. Okay, good. Next, who else?
Ma'am, Sudhan. Ma'am, I'm not 6, ma'am.
Ashni, done.
Ma'am, has to be finished, ma'am.
She has written correctly.
Correct edita.
Sorry.
Ma'am, correct edita, ma'am.
Super. Harshini gets what color star is it?
Green.
Green. It's a green now.
Ma'am, avula green star venuma. Idu enna color?
Pink. You need pink.
Green venuma, ma'am.
Green. Yeah?
Green.
Very good, Harshini. Okay, next is Siddharth.
Ma'am, Sudhan.
Very good, Siddharth. Beautiful handwriting, Siddharth. But you forgot to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Siddharth gets a silver color star.
White.
Okay, next Wells.
School.
Next. What, ma Siddharth? Vanilla, ma'am, what?
Ma'am is asking எப்போ வெண்ணிலா மேம் ஸ்கூலுக்கு போறோம். We are also waiting, ma'am.
Come on, come on. Okay, next Wells finish. Who else? Darshika finish.
No, ma'am.
She wrote only 6, ma'am. She knew only 6.
She knows only till 6.
Yeah.
Very good, fine. Then other numbers we learn it today. Okay, Darshika? For that,
Okay.
brown color star. I have to learn tomorrow, okay? Good. Very genuinely answered. Very good, Darshika. Good. Learn it tomorrow till 10. Then who
Finish,
else?
ma'am.
Nitik.
Ma'am,
So, did you finish? Finished correctly, yeah?
yes.
Show me.
Yes. Finished,
Good, Nitik.
ma'am.
Well done. Nitik gets a red color star. Happy? Okay, good. Next is who else? Kavyanya.
Ma'am.
Uma, Kavyanya. Kavyani. Did you check it, Kavyani's mom?
Yes, ma'am.
She has written correctly?
No, ma'am. Up to 8, she know, ma'am. After that, only 9 only.
Only 9 and 10 you don't know.
Yeah.
No issue. Very good. Today you learned the spelling for 9 and 10. Definitely you will get the star.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, who finish next?
Ma'am.
Very good, ma. Satvika. Very good. Till 7 you have written.
7.
Well done. Satvika gets a silver color star. Yes, Satvika. Right? Happy.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome,
Ma'am,
Sanjana.
like to 7, ma'am.
You also got till 7?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, like to 7, ma'am.
You do 7,
Yeah. Ma'am, Pranita.
7 only she knows, ma'am.
No, I'm asking whether she has written it correctly.
Yes, ma'am. She had written correct.
Okay, this star goes for Janvi.
Ma'am, Pranita.
Pranita, tell what number name you have written.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 you have written, huh? 10.
Yes.
Very good. And this pink color star goes for Pranita. Next is Rohita.
Ma'am, get it.
Zedi, sorry. Dikshan. Okay, Master. Dikshan wrote till
6,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Dikshan gets a brown color star. Okay, tomorrow you have to learn all till 10. Okay, Dikshan?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next is Rohita. Rohita?
9 dot, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohita.
Dot 9, ma'am.
Right. Nitila? Nitila, how much you have written?
6, ma'am. 5, she forgot, ma'am.
Okay. Nitila gets a pink color star. Tomorrow you have to learn till 10, Nitila. Okay? Happy? Nitila is happy? Yes or no?
Ma'am.
You should learn. Then you will get the big star.
Okay.
Okay? When you learn and write properly, you will get the big star tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Next, who else? Zeddy? Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have written, Zeddy?
I will sit.
Till what she has written, Zeddy's mom?
Yeah, ma'am. 1 to 6, ma'am. But 5 is forgot, ma'am. I hinted. I help, ma'am.
Very good, but she have attempted to write, no? Very good, ma, Zeddy. And this silver
Yeah.
star goes for Zeddy. Zeddy.
Yes, ma'am.
Silver star. Okay.
Thank you.
Very good. Hope everyone has finished. Vivan? Vivan? Vivan has finished. 10, na?
No, 2 he got wrong, ma'am. 7 and 8.
7 and 8. Okay. Learn the spelling for that tomorrow and you get the green color star. Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
This is for Vivan. Okay, Vivan.
Okay?
What do you want, Vivan?
I want to take rainbow star.
Huh?
Rainbow
star. I don't have a rainbow star. Okay, next is Ritvik. How much did you write, ma? 1, 2. Huh? What have you written? 1, 2, 4, 10. Only these spellings were easy, Ritvik. Ritvik, see, tomorrow you have to write full 1 to 10. Okay? For that, I'm going to give you a brown color star. Okay? Tomorrow you write full numbering. Okay? Next is Rohita. Yes, Rohita. Very good, Rohita. Did you check Rohita's mom?
Ma'am, 4 work, she knows spellings, ma'am. 6 okay, ma'am. 7, 8, I'm telling spelling. That was you wrote, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Rohita gets a pink color star.
I want brown color star.
Brown and one.
Thanks.
Happy? Okay, next. Who else? Vidyut. Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am.
What you have written? Till?
Red.
Huh?
Till 10, ma'am.
Wow, really?
Spellings
She
to
knows only few spellings, ma'am. Others I only told you.
నేను తినిపిస్తాను నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన క్లాస్ అసలు లేకుండా క్లాస్
But tomorrow, one more time we'll have a test. At that time, all of you should write 1 to 10 number names correctly. Okay?
No,
You all
no.
correctly? This is for Vidyut. Happy Vidyut? Pink color star. Very good. Well done, children. Now all of you take your worksheet and the worksheet number is 1 minute.
ఎన్నిసార్లు రాపించాను అవన్నీ ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాను పైన వాకింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను సేపు చదువుతున్నాను కదా అది చెప్పినప్పుడేమో ఈ అని దిక్కులు చూస్తావు ఇలా రాయాలని చెప్తావు
Worksheet number is 145.
Super note lo chepetalaga.
Rocket there.
క్లిక్ కొంచెం నా మాట వింటూనే వచ్చో. అమ్మ మాట వింటే చెడిపోవు బాగుపడతావు.
Children, this worksheet will be there. This you have to take it as homework. You have to cut all these parts.
Homework
And
అండి.
you have to stick it in the worksheet given before it. In this worksheet, you have to stick it. So this will be your homework. today ask your parents to cut and give all these parts and give it to you. You take all the parts and stick it over here. Okay, now again in your math notebook you are going to write another test, and that is missing numbers. Heading is missing numbers.
Ma'am, page number 145.
145 empty. Note it down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Missing numbers is the heading of that exercise.
Ma'am, we should cut and stick it after class or no, ma'am?
After this, that is homework.
Okay,
For
okay, ma'am.
homework purpose, I showed it to you.
Okay, ma'am. Now page number,
Now
ma'am, for
you have
doing.
to write this, find the missing number in math notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Totally, we have 5 sums here. First sum 15, 16, 17. And what is the answer? The box given there, empty box. You have to fill in that empty box. Jahnavi, don't play with gloves, ma. Come on, take your notebook and do the activity. Come on. Remove your gloves. After the session, you can play, okay? Find the missing number. Parents can copy the questions and give it to your child. Let them find the answer. Totally, there are 5 questions. First one copy down. Shall I move the cursor? Parents, you can copy it down and give it to your child.
Ma'am, for some, sir.
5 sums. This one is here. Fifth one is 97 dash dash 100. Finish copying it down. Now you can start writing, children. First one, 15, 16, 17. What the answer will be next? You have to write it in that box. 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17. And what is the answer? Next one, 3, 1, 31. What comes next? Next is 3, 3, 33. What will come next?
Finish, ma'am.
Who's that? Hashini, ah. Very good, Hashini. Correctly she has written, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Third one is 5, 4, 54. 5, 5, 55. What comes next? And then 5, 7, 57. Fourth one, 7, 9, 79. After 79, what will you get? That you have to write. Then 8, 1, 81. Next, what will be the next number? And the fifth one, 9, 7, 97. Dash, dash, 1, 0, 0, 100. Finished? After finishing this, worksheet number 147 PH. Those who have the worksheet, you can do it in the worksheet. Those who don't have this worksheet, you can copy it down in the English notebook. And the heading is OP words. OP, op. Everyone has written correctly, done correctly, math test. Parents, please check whether they have done correctly. If there anyone who is not able to find out the number, please let me know. Worksheet number is 147 PH. OP, op. POP, pop.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am. Janabi.
Very good, ma. Correctly you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
While writing 80, she was confused, ma'am. She don't know what to write here, ma'am. She was telling the beginning number.
Okay, good. Everything is correct? Rohita?
Yes, ma'am. Everything is good.
Siddharth done correctly?
Wash.
Very good, Siddharth.
Ma'am, worksheet number.
147 PH.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
OP, op. Op, pop. Op, top. Op, cop. Op, mop. What, ma, Devkresh?
எல்லாம் phone restart ஆயிடுச்சு மேம் அதனால
Sorry?
மொபைல் ரீஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண மேம் அதனால
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, page number at once, ma'am.
147 PH. If you don't have this worksheet, you can do it in your English notebook. Copy the words in English notebook.
Okay.
Number is 147 PH. D op dop. L op lop. B op bop. Op. OP is op.
Kavyani finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma Kavyani. Do the worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Give it to your parents. Let them check it whether you have done correct.
Ma'am, JD finished.
Okay, children, those are finished your test. Give it to your parents. Let them correct it. Take your worksheet or your English notebook and finish this worksheet. Yes, ma Zeddy?
Ma'am, JD finished.
Very good, Zeddy. Correctly have done, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Zeddy. That's my girl. Very good.
What page number, ma'am?
147 PH. Check in your book whether you have this worksheet. If you don't have this worksheet, copy it down in your English notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Don't have page, ma'am.
Don't have that page, you copy it down in your English notebook.
There is something different in that, ma'am.
Yeah, different will be there. It's printing error. So you can copy it in your English notebook. Only 6 words are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Heading is OP words.
Ma'am, page number. Finished, Manila.
Very good, ma. Siddharth, Tarnika, good.
Ma'am, page number.
147 pH.
Finished, ma'am. Yes. Okay,
48 on pH, 47 pH common.
47.
If you don't have that page, you can copy it down in your English notebook.
English.
Copy பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
If it is there, you can do it in the worksheet. If you
Yeah,
don't
47
have,
pH.
please copy it down in your English notebook.
47 pH தான்.
What, ma, Pranita? You don't have?
Nidila finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma, Nitila. Good.
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Who's that? Hashini, ah. Good, ma, Hashini. Very good. Those who are finished and those who have sent that height and weight. Thank you so much, parents, for that. And those who are not sent, please try and send it by this week.
Next.
Ma'am, next.
That's it, ma. That's all. That's it, today's worksheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone has copied down? Shall I stop sharing?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, then I will stop sharing. Okay. Okay, children, that's it for today. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.